Alright, the time has come, guys. Brand new product again for TriggaSpec. This is for all the 240 people with the LS swaps. Introducing to you guys the single turbo TriggaSpec LS swap 240 edition. Alright guys, so now that we've seen the montage, this is a whole kit. This is a kit that's going to support up to 800 to 900 horsepower for your LS single turbo. As you guys can see, comes with two of the headers. One on the left side that connects to a dump. The other one on the right side that comes out connects to this end, which these two are our other dumps. We got our downpipe and the continuous of the downpipe to the exhaust. And our two dump tubes and our twin scroll collector right here, which you guys can see. This is an amazing piece. But yeah, this is the whole setup. This setup will be 1900 bucks shipped, guys, and it comes with everything you guys need. Installation, also with the new gaskets. So we got our 5.3 right here. This will work with a 5.7 as well. LS1, LS2, LS3, or not 2, LS3, LM7s. So we got our exhaust manifold off. Now we're gonna go ahead and begin throwing these on. We also have an option. So this option comes with a 4-inch downpipe for the turbo. This is like a GT45 like I have, and then we also have the 3.5-inch downpipe as well. So yep, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab our driver's side. This piece and be like that, and one of the gaskets. Alright guys, so I actually had to take everything off again because I realized with this kit, if you guys want to run it, this is just a heads up, you're gonna need to get these MSD ceramic coil wires. My old MSD red ones I couldn't use, so they would melt. So these ceramics can take up a lot of heat, and you guys can see right there, these are close corners. And I went ahead and heat wrapped our whole system. So heat wrap this, going all the way through, coming to our hot side again. On this side, fully heat wrapped. You guys can see there's very minimal room, and I'll show you guys how to make your own coil wires. But yeah, this is pretty much it, how it looks like that. Came out killer. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount up the turbo right here, so we can get better look at how to route the wires. Alright, so it's nighttime now, but we pretty much got the turbo onto the manifold. So here's our turbo. Max P and Rod, shout out to them, they threw this in for the car. But our turbo, and then we got the backside. Now we're gonna hook up the exhaust on the backside. I usually like to cover these. There's our exhaust, here we go. So in the kit that I sell, you get the downpipe and then the other piece for the exhaust. So the downpipe, fortunately I used a 4.5-inch V-band when I needed a 4-inch, but the new versions all come with 4-inch and 3.5. So we won't be able to use this downpipe right now. I have the other V-band that I'm gonna weld on, but pretty much the downpipe goes right there and sits flush with the spark plugs. But all good for now. We'll put this to sleep. But if you want to do a hood exit or something, this is what you would use. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on and throw the dump tubes on with the wastegates, and then show you guys how that looks. Alright guys, so we went ahead and threw the downpipe on, and then we threw our wastegates on. So there's wastegate 1, wastegate number 2 with our dump tubes. Wastegate dumps pointing towards the ground, but this is it. Sheesh. But yeah, that's pretty much our kit. So if you guys like it, hit me up. Details in the description.